Dito kami ngayon sa lugar ng San Agustin.
It's cold and I know it is small.
Tapos,
There's somewhere you
ito,
can tell
may
me.
ipapakita ko sa inyo.
He walks
Guys,
on,
ang
doesn't
rainbow.
look back. He pretends he can't hear her.
Sa panahon ngayon.
Starts to whistle as he crosses the street.
Ayan.
Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you, you and me in paradise.
Pakita natin ang rainbow.
Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Ayun. Amazing na matatanaw dito sa San Agustin. Ayan. Huling kita ko ng rainbow, elementary pa lang ako eh. Oh. Ayan guys, ang rainbow. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ayan oh, parang ano, dinrawing. Grabe. Ayan, pawala na siya. Pawala na yung rainbow. Ayan o, pawala na siya. Sumasama na siya sa ulap. Naaano ng ulap. Ayun o, medyo nakikita yung pababa niya. Ayun. Leng. Amazing. Ayan guys. Nakikita nyo, ayun ang rainbow. Ayun ang rainbow. Ayan, uwi na ako guys. Ganda ng ulap. Bye!